Welcome to today's morning report on Wednesday the 9th of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. The market sentiment has taken a real boost overnight. You had a very strong close on Wall Street, 2.5% up on the S&P 500, and what we've also seen is overnight promises from the Japanese government from Shinzo Abe that they were going to be cutting corporate tax rates for companies, and that has helped to support equities. Massive gains on the Nikkei, 7.7% up on the Nikkei 225. Across Asia, we've had strong moves. Even the Shanghai equities were up, and that was also being helped by suggestions that the Chinese government was also going to be ready to help the Chinese economy with fiscal support. So pretty much across the board, positive market sentiment. Commodity prices moving higher, or certainly metals prices anyway, moving higher, and that continues to happen. Let me just quickly show you what we've got here on the metals prices. This is copper, big break of that downtrend now. And copper certainly looks to be on the recovery trail at the moment. So very strong recovery then in copper. In terms of equity markets, we've got a strong recovery. Let me just show you what we're seeing on the bond markets as well. Really strong move higher on the treasury yields. That's the 10-year spiking higher. That just suggests improved expectations of growth. Look at the 2-year. The 2-year is a gauge of markets' sort of views on potential Fed rate hikes. It's seen as a very good indication of that, and we're seeing the 2-year yield up towards the highs again. So that is sort of moving out towards potential for market sort of factoring in a September rate hike once again. So really interesting that we're seeing that. Strong sentiment across the board pretty much. Dollar is interestingly sort of mixed actually. Slightly stronger against the euro and sterling, but big gains against the yen. But interestingly, we're seeing also the commodity currencies performing quite well today. We have got a lot of central bank meetings today. Got the Bank of Canada. That's not expected to move on rates, but the RBNZ is expected to cut by 25 basis points to 2.75%. So watch out for that later on. That's 10 o'clock this evening UK time. Other than that, you've got, let me just get it up. You've got the at 9:30 UK industrial production. Expected to dip slightly back to 1.4%, but still a decent-ish number there from the industrial production in the UK. We've also got the trade balance in the UK expected to widen slightly to minus 9.5, but that still certainly seems to be just on a recovery trail, really, rather than as bad as it was in the middle of 2014 when it got significantly wide there on that trade balance. So that's at 9:30 as well. And then at 3 o'clock this afternoon, we've got the US jobs openings expected to improve slightly to 5.29. But certainly as we move through the European session at the moment, sentiment is very strong, and that is affecting assets across the board. Now, my chart of the day is the euro sterling. Now, the reason being is because euro sterling has sort of formed this potential top pattern. What we do have is euro sterling in the last few couple of weeks, really, just starting to find the resistances at that 73.90 level. I spoke about that last week. As it was testing that level, I was wondering whether that was going to be broken through. It certainly doesn't look like it, and the momentum indicators are now beginning to roll over. You've got a crossover, negative crossover on the MACD lines. You've got the RSI, which is already falling at a 3-week low. So suggesting that top pattern is going to be coming to completion, and also the stochastics falling away as well. So we're really beginning to see these momentum indicators roll over. I think that pressure is going to be coming on the 72.40 level. You had a very slight look at it yesterday, and then a rebound. But certainly, you'd say that the tendency is towards a correction at the moment, and pressure on that 72.40 level. Here we go on the hourly chart again. That's that top pattern in place, and the momentum indicators are more pressuring towards the downside now. Having previously seen the RSI moving above 70, it's now sort of falling over at lower levels. MACD lines also falling over at lower levels. So it just looks as though you've got the rallies are being sold into now, and you've got this resistance band 72.70 up towards 73 figure. It's a pretty decent band of resistance now, and 72.80 was the high from yesterday or overnight. So it looks like that is resistance in place now, that 30 pips band of resistance. I'd be looking for sell signal in that. We're just having another sort of just a rebound intraday today in the last couple of hours, so maybe this is your opportunity to look for some selling opportunities. I would say that this is sort of going to continue to show. I mean, look at the sequence of lower highs here on this chart. You could sort of stick a downtrend in there. I mean, it's not perfect, but you could certainly see a downtrend in there. So that reaction high that we saw yesterday, 73.30 is this reaction high here, and I think that only when you've seen a break above that would you start to see, I think, the outlook improving. I think that it's going to continue to pressure 72.40. If it breaks that, it's 150 pips worth of downside, and that's back towards 70.90. So the initial real support comes in around 71.50 area with these reaction highs and then minor reaction lows. So there is certainly scope for downside on this euro sterling, and it certainly looks like it's building for this top pattern completion. Not done yet, but it's I think a daily close below 72.40 would complete it. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.